Good morning, everybody. Sorry I'm late. How are we doing? Sorry, we're gonna be starting a little bit different. Wait, you know about Dino Blade? Who doesn't know about Dino Blade? Who does not know about Dino Blade? If you're not getting ready for Dino Blade, then what are you doing? Who cannot get over the fact that there will be giant sword-wielding dinosaurs in a game? We must all play it. Who's with me? Who's with me, guys? Morning, everyone. Sorry I'm late. I just had to make my breakfast. Yes. Gotta have 5 meals a day. 5 meals a day. Yeah, so 5 meals a day. So I got 3 boiled eggs and some wholemeal toast with an apple. So yeah, I don't eat butter, so I got no butter on my toast. Yes, I'm a psychopath. How are you? Yes, that is I. Good morning, Twitch Kick and YouTube. Yes, I am a psychopath, chat. I've just never liked butter, eh? So this is the first meal of the day. Second one is either an apple or some almonds. Next one is some chicken. Which reminds me, I should probably pull the chicken out right now. Hold up. There we go. Yeah, sorry guys, I just got to get my breakfast in me, then we can start. Hey, you Snow and Nancy over on YouTube. Morning guys. After I have my breakfast, we'll probably sharpen up a little, sharpen one of my chisels, and then we'll get into it, eh? But I hope everyone is doing well. But I ain't gonna lie, that late night stream kind of took a lot out of me, eh, this morning. I saw my big girl waking up, thinking it was 6 o'clock, and I was like, oh, sorry baby, I'll be in soon. Not realizing it was almost 8. Because I've been going to sleep at 10 o'clock. Is our mic on? Are we muted again? No, we're good. Yeah, so I'll just get my breakfast in me, then we can start. Yeah, nothing too crazy, just calorie deficit. 3 eggs. I chose to boil them just for today. I think today I'm going to train maybe legs. I might go and do legs today. Alright, one more to go and then we can get into it. Everyone's just watching you eat. You live on Kick? Yeah. My Kick is Brox without the underscore on Kick if you want to jump over there. We've almost hit our sub goal on Kick too. Thank you very much, Fano. We're at 4 out of 5. Thank you. Since early access drop, has it improved? It's great. I recommend getting back into it, bro. I just started on the bros server last night. Nothing too crazy, just a little shack by the beach, just to get me started. But on the server, I have just to play on my own. Some people have been jumping in, but I'm wondering if we create a dedicated server for my community, aka you guys. So I might look into doing that for us. What do you reckon, chat? All good? Yeah, so that's something I'm considering for us as a community, is to make our own Power World server where we can just vibe and play the game. Have some fun. And catch some cool powers, do some raids and some dungeons. And I just like to marvel over everyone's cool builds. Yeah, I'll look into it. I don't know how to set it up, but I'll look into it. It'll definitely be something we can do for sure. So just let me eat my apple. Okay. Gym yesterday felt good. And thank you for all those that jumped in the gym stream too. There we go. Put our carving in. Yo, what up, Snare? How cold is it there? I checked and it was 5 degrees. Project, are you working on? We're doing a 21st key for my nephew. So this is all we've been up to lately, this part here. I really think there's a nail there, eh? Like, I genuinely think there's a nail right there. There we go. That is what we're up to right now. Carving this 21st key for my nephew. So we're still rough molding. This nose needs to be dropped down some more. But all in all, it looks good. What's up, Sirio? How you doing? Just a slight touch up before we start, okay? Okay, I have my fuel in my body. Now, let's go. Have you taken inspiration from other cultures? Nah, not really, brother. Not really, my bro. Like, if I'm gonna learn a culture's carving first before doing that, I want to go live with them first, but in this day and age, I can't even do that now. More than a defender? And a lurking place of mayhem. No, you're good, Serio. Have fun, have fun. You still gotta teach me how to play White Fox. She's actually a pretty fun character, I ain't gonna lie. So all I'm doing is just touching up this chisel. We might drop the mouth down a bit more too, just to get rid of this crack some more. Yeah. She's a really fun too. I've just gotta understand her melee as well. Because I know she gets a AoE heal, right? Intricate carvings for the... Yeah. What's that one church and it's like old as? I don't know what country it's in. Not really well versed with the world. But it's like old as, eh? Yo, brother Robbie, bro, it's cold, bro. Doesn't help that the one thing about Rotorua, right? It's a giant bowl. So all the cold in the summer, or all the cold in the winter and the hot in the summer will just sit there. Like even through the night. Even through the night, man. Just got in. Nice to see you sharpening stone, presumably without killing the internet. Yeah, so main reason why I don't have a sharpening wheel, brother, is I don't live in a good neighborhood and I don't want to set it up and then next thing you know it gets 5-finger discounted. Because usage under the influence is growing in my area, and what people have been doing is just robbing and taking to cash converters in the hopes of going to buy their next hit. So I'd rather just use a stone. Which is very sad. There's this one lady, she's I think she has like schizophrenia as well. But she walks around and let's just say she has one certain individual's from World War, is it World War II, I think? Has his insignia all over her jacket, and she does pull the sign too. She does pull the sign. You know how in our culture we got the mana wave, how we go che, or she does the straight arm and stiff one from overseas. Yeah. But yeah, she's not all there up here. She's not all there, so no one really cares. Like she was doing it yesterday too, but these wannabe gangsters were egging her on. Yeah, we all got those. Yeah. My second daughter, she's very scared of her. She calls her the skeleton lady, cause she wears a skull mask. Yeah, so no one really cares that she's doing that kind of stuff, cause you know the hard drive is running out of thermal paste up there, so no one really bothers. Yeah, it's very ratchet. It's very ratchet, bro. But genuinely, there's not much we can do. And like even for me, I'm gonna look out for my own family. But yeah, that's one of the many reasons why I'm trying to grind so hard just to try and get my family out of here. Trying, guys, trying, saving up. Without any subathon, but hey, it's all good. Could live anywhere in the world. Where would you like to live? Still here in Rotorua, just more out of the city. I'd like my neighbours to be cows or trees. The area I want to live in, yeah, the prices or the houses are well and truly out of my reach. Like just a 4-bedroom with a sleep out, I'd be happy. Cause I can give the sleep out to my mum because she's getting older too. She's getting old. And it's coming to that point where I'm gonna have to take her in soon. One of the main things that I stress about in life. Hey, my neighbor turns into a cow sometimes. That's crazy. My neighbor turns into a cow sometimes is crazy. If anyone who deserves it, it's you. You're nothing but a beacon of positivity. Even when you're trolling. I got a DM last night too from someone. I was like, I think you're the nicest troll I've ever met. I was like, oh, thank you. I just do it to spark laughs. That's legit the only reason why I do it. I think we're good. Yep, we're good. But yeah, I've been playing a bit more Doctor Strange. I'm gonna stick with Doctor Strange. He's definitely my main on the Marvel Rivals. After Doctor Strange, I've been playing Devil Dino. Who else have I been playing? Tank. I still want to try and get good with Angela. Just cause Muscle Mommy. Send me the clip of your Facebook and I was like, yeah, he's... Just, I was carrying him on Marvel Rivals yesterday. You should have said that. As a support player. He should have said that. That would have been funny. Yeah, that would have been funny as if he did that. Should see me without 200 ping. Must be crazy. I'd be keen to see it though, I ain't gonna lie. Even with 200 ping you were smashing. If I don't stream for Whakairo tomorrow, you will probably know why. We'll probably, yeah. Nah, it's still early days. Nah, bro, don't gas me up. I'm gassing you up. I'm gassing you up in this economy. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Full ego. For ego solo carry support, gas you up. I'm doing it. Plays that one Beyonce song. Hey, morning Jiggy. How you doing, Jiggy? Geez, you're up early. I talk like this so I can make it up. I should have sharpened this longer, but it will suffice for today. Morning, Zeri. How you doing? How are we today? We're doing good, we're doing good. I went to sleep at like 8 with the meanest headache. Just drink some water. I can see you now rolling your eyes. I don't even have to know, and I know you rolled your eyes when I said drink some water. You think I don't know Jiggy? She did it. She rolled her eyes when I said that. You're predictable, you know why? Because you're Polynesian. Valdrins, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Read our first Sabilu of the day too. Thank you very much, my bro. It's because she's Polynesian. We're all the same. Yes, I did. Thank you very much, Val. I mean, he's not wrong. What's even better than drinking water? Drink more water. Nah, I haven't gotten a headache in a while. It's probably because I drink like six liters a day. I've been slowly going off the old fizzies as I get older. I was watching some Instagram videos before the gym yesterday of people dry scooping pre-workout. I don't know how they do it, eh? I don't know how they do it, man. It does not look yum. Does anyone know when the new House of Dragons episodes are out? Are they out Monday or Tuesday? Shit, we're on Wednesday, so it should be out. Water equals fixed. Exactly. Exactly. Which reminds me, shit, I need to find my kids' clothes for swimming today. Shit, are they in the back of the car? Oh yeah, I can see them. Boom. See, I'm already done. Already done. How are you, SMG? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. So we're just cleaning up this arm at the moment. So kind of just trying to line everything up now for today. Because we got them at good levels. We may go lower, but I just want to set them all up. See what it looks like. And we should be good from there. Okay. Morena e hoa, kai te pēhea koe. Yeah, not doing anything too crazy today, my bro. Just doing a key for the nephew. Oha ke wene. I stopped doing keys years ago, but I will do them for certain individuals, you know? We'll do them for certain individuals, not all the time though. Right, I'm up and out of bed. You're up and out of bed. You were in bed this whole time? Girl, get your ass up. Eat the breakfast. Make the bed, brush the teeth. Brush the teeth, huh?
I need you to oil this man right now.
Just a reminder, you should drink some more water than the small cup. Thank you very much to... Oh, how do I say that name? Is it Micah Lexus? Lexus? Jeez, correct me if I'm wrong. I know I'll be butchering your name. It's almost midnight here. My favorite channel to calm down after a long day. Well, much appreciated for being here. Hope it was a good long day though, you know? Productive one. One thing I've been doing as well is writing before I go to bed of you know, the good and the bad of the day, improvements for tomorrow kind of thing. I've been doing that kind of stuff. Not 75 hard. Don't do 75 hard, guys. It's a waste of time. Just jump on a calorie deficit and you'll be fine. Recovering from surgery, so could be better. Can't wait to active again. Hey, good to know you're all good though. Good to know you're all good. One step at a time. We'll always be here. I will try and do another stream for those for next time too. Because I know when people are watching at midnight, it's the EU's, right? And sometimes America. Yeah, trying to journal and like if I have any doubts, I'll put them in the book and just to revisit it for the next day. And all my achievements that I make in a day, I'll put it in my book and then try and beat that the next day. Kind of trying to, trying to have different, trying to do different things in life. Oh, hello there, Cyro. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well, brother. Or sis, I'll say both. Oh, you're from the Netherlands. Oi. Yeah, it's usually the EU that watches at 12 o'clock. Because we get a lot of people from London coming and I'm like, shouldn't you be asleep?
I need you to oil this man right now.
Oi, Andy Man. Apparently if you say Andy Man in the mirror 5 times, you'll appear. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, my bro. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a hype train. Thank you, brother. Bro, genuinely, bro, you've already done so much. You can chill out. Thank you, my bro. How are you, Andy, man? Listening to you while at work. What's the job, my bro? What's the job? There's a video I want to show you guys, and it's a video of where I used to work, okay? Do you want to watch it? And it's a guy that's going around the world showcasing things about different countries and basically not doing anything but the culture itself. Oh, stock worker. Oh, so you like ticking all the things. I remember I done a stock job once. But doing stock for food places is the worst job ever. Oh, I say this because I'd rather just eat it. I'm like, no one will miss this one box of shapes, right? But yeah, thought I better not. I'm like, they won't miss this one box of shapes, right? Has it full break? Because my uncle used to be in charge of doing stock take in a supermarket, and he goes, "Want to earn some money?" I was like, "Yeah." He goes, "Come with me." It's like, this is a dumb job, uncle, because I have to look at the food and not touch it. And he just, the god tier level eye roll of the man. And I remember these words very firmly that he said, "That's why you're fatter." Yeah, this was me at like 17. Like, that's why you're fat, bro. And obviously me being who I am, I'm like, so at least I'm not fucking bald. And he's like, "Oh, that one hurt." Felt that sting in my scalp. Like, yeah. I forgot you were the cheeky one. But that's just, yeah. I feel like the relationship I have with a lot of my aunties and uncles is, we just like to have little stabs at each other, for fun. Like, everyone in my family knows that I'm the jokester. But I guess that's why they love me. I don't change. Let's fix this ear up. Even family needs one of those. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Well, there's quite a few in mine. But they're all the older lot. The generation above me and my cousins. Fuck, like one of my uncles, oh, because he's in a wheelchair. Keep in mind this is family, right? One of my uncles, yeah, he's been in a wheelchair for years, and they all call him Hot Wheels. I was like, duh. He's like, it's alright, my boy. It's alright. They all say it. And for the last how many years of my life, they've been buying him a Hot Wheels car for Christmas ever since I've been alive. I've always noticed, and he's got a lot of them too. And he just so happens to be a Hot Wheels fan now. I mean, I think it was forced on him, but yeah, it's still pretty cool that, you know, still sees the light of things in life. Yeah, had an unfortunate accident and, yeah. I won't say the jokes that my aunties and uncles say. I'll get banned. Yeah, they were pretty ruthless with their jokes. But I think that's where I get all the comebacks from them. Ugh. I just burped in my throat and it was yuck. When I was a kid, made so many Goldberg machines with the tracks. Yeah, it was cool because you could make your own back in the day. We only could make our own with the Hot Wheels tracks we had because we lost every other bit. Yeah, so we had to make our own kind of tracks out of what we had. But yeah, Hot Wheels wasn't really my thing when I was young. It was Batman. Fucking Batman, bro. Holy. Batman and Street Sharks. Autobots came to devastate, destroy the evil forces of the Decepticons. And Transformers too. But the old one. Back when Megatron sounded like he smoked a pack of cigarettes every day. Oh, Hazy-tron. What's the plans for today, Jiggy? What you up to today? At the mobile. Nah. Man, that's nostalgia. Yeah. Fuck, they had some crack up sounds for Transformers, eh? And then Optimus Prime's one brown. Some nostalgic sounds, eh? What else did I get into? So I'm just gonna run through some of the cartoons that I watched growing up. This will be pretty obvious for some others that may have been the same era as me. So Transformers, Batman, Captain Planet, SWAT Cats. Wow, there's so many, eh? And then you got like OG X-Men back when the Bundas were bundering very hard. What else? There's so many. Yeah, Gargoyles. Just a lot of the ones from the 90s, eh? Like Street Sharks and all of that. That's when I feel like cartoons were at their most peak. Right into the early 2000s. Samurai Pizza Cats is another one. Yeah, G.I. Joe. Power Rangers. Beetleborgs. Man. Flint Time Detective. Metabots. Yu-Gi-Oh! Dragon Ball Z as well. Pokemon. But yeah, I feel like in the 90s, that's when cartoons were at their utmost peak for me personally. Like the Cartoon Network era too. Those were some times. I need to upload some videos to Mugbook today too. Ren and Stimpy. Wow, they used to be such a cooked cartoon, eh? Real Monsters. Angry Beavers. But I only just realised as I got older that Ed, and Eddie, oh, I think it's more Ed, the little one, was the OG Gooner in the cartoon world. Bro, the OG Gooner, bro. Did you see that one scene that they brought up ages ago? They were in Ed's room and there was like moisturizer and like paper towels everywhere on his bed. And obviously us being kids are totally oblivious to that, not knowing what the hell that means at all. Thank you very much, Who Stole Toasty, for the brand new tier 1. Welcome through, good sir. Thank you very much for the love, my bro. Thank you very, very much, my brother. I gotta stop veering off and stay on the one section. Randy from South Park was a few years earlier. Big time game. Why, really? Yeah, there'll be some, even I don't know of. Holy, like if you think about the cartoons that we used to watch back in the day, eh? Like, eh? Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother Toasty. What are some other, like, peak cartoons? Did anyone ever watch Mummies Alive? Thundercats, yep, Thundercats was another one. Yo, there he is. Mummy's Alive and Mighty Max were awesome, bro. They were good to see you, Dead Legs. And also, I know it was a couple days ago, brother. Thank you for the resub, my bro. How you been, Dead Legs? Thank you for the ongoing support on Kick, my bro. Never seen it, but watched Hills Have Eyes. Old Hills Have Eyes. I remember seeing Hills Have Eyes for the first time. I was like, what the fuck are these? I don't know why that got thing. Never had a chance to drop into your live before. Glad I can watch this. I'll stay, but I'd like to give you some bits if you accept, brother. Only if you want to, you know. I am open to things these days, brother, but remember, just only if you want to. It's never going to be forced, brother. Ginger Ninja. I hope I don't get banned for saying that. Thank you very much for the 5-bomb, bro. If you got a gifted sub from the Ginger Ninja, please give him a thank you, please. Give him a thank you. Yo, Dead Legs, can't believe 1 year already. 13 months coming in from Dead Legs over on Kick 2. Yeah, I think you're one of my OGs, my bro. Did I give you the OG badge? You've been around, like, you've been subbed the longest, my bro. And, we come across someone called Brian on Kick, my bro, and he's a staff member, and he's from here, which is pretty crazy. No way Ginger Ninja is a bad one. I don't know, is it? I always, thank you very much, Nebashi, for the 5 months. Yeah, I always get a bit weary, you know, because I know, you know, I'm not like Amy of Pitch Perfect, how she always roasts that one ginger girl. Also, I want to ask, thank you very much for the 13 months, dead legs. What? No, I forgot what I was going to ask you. Oh, shit. Never mind. Never mind, guys. I've kind of goldfished a bit. Yeah, I've goldfished a little. We should do a channel point poll and donate all our channel points to one person. Can you do that though? Yeah, is that even possible? What the hell? Thank you for being you. Why? I thought you were just gonna do purple ones. Big Toasty coming in with the 10,000 biddies over on Twitch, bro. I thought you were just gonna do a little bit. Oh my god, bro. Thank you very much for the 10,000 biddies, bro. Not sure if you... Yeah, bro. I have the power. Anyway, is the He-Man movie out yet? Thank you very much, my bro. You deserve it all, bro. As long as you're sure and you enjoy the streams, my bro, that's what matters to me, okay? That'll always be the number one thing. I just want to try and cater to everyone. Not only entertainment-wise, but mental health-wise too. Always, my bro. And, you know, I'd like to help in other ways too. If you know, you got insomnia, just watch the stream, and if you fall asleep, keep coming back. Or if you're haunted by a sexual paralysis demon and this place makes you go to sleep with it on, by all means come back. Yeah, I don't know. People have some of those apparently. Maybe just take the blue pill, rhino pill, and Red Bull, and you might win. I'm joking, by the way. Don't do that. Just have some oysters. Have a bag of oysters and you're away. Jerry Razor! We were speaking of oysters, so the other night we were at my auntie's. We were at my auntie's birthday, and she had oysters there. And I was looking at my wife, and she was like, "Don't you dare," because she knows every time I see oysters, I do that one scene from White Chicks with Terry Crews. I just look at her. And she just looks at me like, "You're an idiot. You're a fucking idiot." And I'm like, "Girl, we gonna get along just fine." Never seen it, but what? Oh, sorry. Thank you very much, Zeri. Zeri for the brand new tier 1. A lot of tier 1ers today too. Welcome on through. Let's see if I hit a nail, eh? Thank you very much, Zeri, and to those that have subbed, and if you received the gifted sub as well, please say thank you. And I miss you, and I need you. How did you know? This is my song. Oh, that's what I was gonna ask you. Who watched the new Doomsday trailer? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Thoughts? What are our thoughts on the new Doomsday trailer, guys? Have we seen it? Have we seen it? Have we seen the new Doomsday trailer? Like to get your initial thoughts? Gonna check it right now. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, I like Doctor Doom too. He's cool. But the fact it's played by Robert Downey Jr., it's gonna be cool to see. I'll be honest, this is a hot take from me. Hot take from me. Robert Downey Jr.'s greatest role in all the movies has been in, for me personally, is still Tropic Thunder. Tropic Thunder is still one of my favorite roles of his. What do you mean, you people? I don't drop characters until the video commentary. Suck my unit. That's my favorite movie of his. My favorite role. Just that, bro. It's it was peak for me. So I'm looking forward to seeing how he is as Doctor Doom. Yeah, looking forward to seeing how he does in this new Avengers movie. What do you mean, you people? What do you mean, you people? You got a girl waiting for you at home. What's her name, man? His name's Lance. Lance. Fucking Lance. What are you thinking about Lance's balls dangling over your forehead when you get home? The fuck you mean, Lance? Oh, bro, yeah. That's like my other Nacho Libre, bro, that movie. It's just too funny. The fuck you mean, Lance? Doctor Doom is gonna be so good, bro. It's crazy how he stops the bro in his tracks, see? Well, still got me. Yeah, it's pretty, the AI mod is a bit too much over there, my bro. I won't lie. What you been up to, though, Brother Deadlegs and Razor? So you didn't end up getting any of those cards, my bro? No, word by word. I think I got the Lance part wrong. Fuck you mean, Lance? It's just the accent, eh? Fuck, it gets me every time. The accent gets me every time, bro. I think we'll try and bring TikTok into the mix now, guys. Hold up. I'm going big on big. I'm going big on big. Yeah, bro. I watched Tropic Thunder way too much. Even Jack Black, bro. Even when he's on when they're detoxing Jack Black on the tree, cause he's a user. And he's trying to do anything within his power to get out so he can have some more. Bro, it's just a random roll, eh? And I love it, bro. He's real funny comedian, eh? Real funny choker. He's real funny choker, guys. Real funny choker. The fuck you mean, Lance? I'm just wondering what kind of design I'm gonna do. So what I'm thinking is we might got enough one piece for a machine though. There's more to wait, they just keep stocking their card machine with one piece every time? Bro, that's pretty crazy, and that's actually quite handy that you know where it is too and it's close to you. Bro, it is mad impossible to try and get one piece cards here, bro, unless you're going to spend like lots of money. Lots and lots of money. But there's a hobby con coming up in Tauranga. I want to try and go, but I just want to try and get maybe 1 or 2 packs. I'm gonna try to. Morning at TikTok. How are you guys? My Scottish brother. What's up, Kevin? How do I say hello in Scottish, my bro? I managed to get a pre-order for OP17 last night. Holy shit, my bro. Even the bro Ed on Twitch did too. He got him a pre-order as well. He messaged me how much it was. I was like, fuck. That's like gourmet kai from bloody Pack and Save. So man, hope life's treating you well. Life has been good, my bro. So my routine is pretty much wake up, get the kids ready. Oh, wake up at 4:30. Get myself ready, go for a run, come home, do the kids' bags. You know, my wife should be up getting ready for work. Take them to school and work, and then come back and stream, and then go to the gym after stream, brother. And then be, you know, present for my kids for the rest of the day. Thank you very much, Ali. I got an email from Gameology yesterday when I was at work and tried to need a... They tried, but you need a ranking to access... What? You need to play GameStop rank just to get a pre-order? Bro, what is going on, bro? These ranks at GameStop? Holy, that's kind of mud. I ain't gonna lie. That's kind of mud. Anyone on TikTok got some One Piece cards? Much love, Wiz. How you doing, brother? Sorry, I forgot to see the bro how to say hello in Scottish. Top 3 human of all time? Who's my top 3 humans of all time? Sir David Attenborough? He's definitely one. Sir David Attenborough. If I'm looking outside of my own family, that is. Jason Momoa be another one. And... Oh, Morgan Freeman. In no particular order. Yeah, you need, yeah, and to get the ranking was 1,000 spent. What the hell? Bro, you need to spend $1,000 at GameStop just to be eligible for the ranking stuff. Holy scram. These guys are just scamming. Bro, L GameStop, bro. And I ain't doing that anytime soon. I don't blame you, bro. Even I wouldn't do that. Thank you very much, Brandon. Hey, much love to you too on TikTok as well. As you go back to the gym ASAP. Yeah, it's been good, my bro. It's been good being in a good routine and just going to train. Like, depending on how empty the gym is, I'll pump up a stream. But yeah, I'm trying to be built like a Clydesdale, but you know, I gotta run too. A Clydesdale runs as well, so we gotta, you know, be built like a Clydesdale on all fronts, not just top heavy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to be built like a Clydesdale, man. Thank you very much, HooTF. Kia ora, kia ora. Sir Brox, do you ship overseas? I do, sir. I do. So at the moment, to the guy that was asking, so what we're doing right now is just a 21st key for my nephew. It's my nephew's 21st in August. Kai, thank you very much for the aroha. Clydesdale, you got the hairy legs too? Yeah, hairy legs, hairy back, short neck. We're halfway there. Sorry man, it's not much, but enjoy. No, Kai. So in my culture, my bro, we have this proverb that goes ahakoa he iti he pounamu, which means it doesn't matter how big or small the gift is, it's the thought that counts. So thank you very much. Thank you. Live with Ian. Thank you, brother Ian, for the 5-month arenas, my bro. Thank you, brother Ian. Where are we? Thank you very much to Sam as well for the 3 cats. Hello there, Nick. What's up, Andreas? Also, shout out to Spain once again. Did you see that pilot that was flying people home from Argentina? He was from Spain and he trolled the whole plane. Have you seen that video?
I need you to oil this man right now.
Thank you very much as well, Austin. So to those that haven't seen the video, this Spanish plane, plane driver, whatever the hell you call them, is flying them home, and he announces on the comms, like he's announcing the winner of the World Cup. He's like, to all the Argentinians in the flight, thank you very much for the rivalry over the match, and thank you very much for the amazing game. Well done Argentina. And then everyone, all the Argentinians are like, yay! And then at the end he goes, but Spain won. And then the plane just goes dead silent, bro. Whereabouts are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my brother. Thank you very much, Toy, for the heart too. It was the funniest TikTok I've seen this morning. You mean a pilot? Yeah, that. Thank you, Mild Fire, for the Optimus Prime too. Thank you very much, my brother. Fucking pigeon. Sounded like a baby. Thank you very much, Salhel and Caliber, and also King Bob. Thank you very much for the Aroha bros, and Ben and Caliber again as well. Yeah, no, it just sounded like a kid, eh? I was like, whoa! Zach, thank you very much, and thank you to the bro for the... Is that a goal? Thank you for the goal, my bro. I won't lie, I was going for Norway. I'm a big Norway fan after the World Cup. This is the first World Cup I've ever watched, and it was fun. You know, minus all the diving and everything, but yeah, I actually enjoyed watching football for once. And Norwegian Hatsune Miku is still the best one out of all the ones that got drawn, okay? Just putting it out there. Thank you very much, Snape Slytherin, for the Optimus Prime. Yeah, I got you, my bro. Turn to page 394. Cheers, my bro. Thank you very much for the 28 roses, Ulysses. Yeah, speaking of movies too, I need to go and watch that Odyssey movie. Can you say hi, my Alfred Potter? I could hear that comment before I read it. Yeah, so what I'm up to right now is just doing a 21st key for my nephew. I don't normally do keys, but because it's my nephew, I can't really turn away from it. I'd rather peg a cactus. Yeah, I'd rather do that. Oh, yeah, pretty much. If you think, and fucking roll funny part in that movie. Oh, the Tenacious D movie? That's a good movie too. I do not need a microphone. My voice is fucking powerful. Oh, wow, that's a funny movie. And I think he directed that too, eh? Did he? Did Jack Black direct that too? I mean, it gives off Jack Black vibes, eh? Happy birthday, GNF. My birthday is also in August. Oh, nice. Yeah, my big girl was an August baby too. Early August. She wasn't meant to be though, so she might have been end of August, early September. So she wasn't really supposed to be born around the same time. But she just made full term. Our daughter, our eldest. She just made full term, and my wife had actually gone over to see her brother and sister-in-law give birth to their niece. And something funny in me was telling her, nah, don't go, because she had been having real pains as well, which we thought were Braxton Hicks, but really it was contractions. But at the time, as first-time parents, we didn't know, and I told her to stay. But one thing about Maori women, they are more stubborn than a concrete wall. Okay, a concrete wall against a stick. And she didn't listen to me, which I was expecting. Thank you very much, Ollie, for the roses, and they went anyway. And so kind of continued on with my day. Went to work. Then I get a phone call around 6 o'clock in the morning. Baby's here, or baby's coming. It's like, oh, cool, happy for you and your brother. And she goes, no, baby's coming, like our daughter. And I was like, I told you should have stayed home. And then eventually what happened is my daughter and my niece were born on the same day. Thank you very much, JD and Ollie. So my niece was born in the morning and my daughter was born in the evening. So yeah, she was born 3 weeks early, but on the same day as her cousin. Thank you very much, Urban Sport Guy and Brandon. Thank you very much, guys, and Ollie again. So yeah, that was probably one of the most stressful moments of my life, and the greatest moments of... Oi! Urban! Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. And JD with the soccer balls too. And also, one moment, it takes a while to load in. There we go. Anna 161 for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. He's been really kind today. Thank you very much. And where was I? Yeah, so it was one of the most stressful moments of my life because my wife had taken our car at the time. My wife and sister-in-law. Thank you, Josh. I see you, my bro. And if you've been in the earlier streams, you'll know that I used to own a Mitsubishi Lancer. That's the closest I'll ever get to being a boy racer, 4-door. And pretty much what happened after that is my father-in-law had to come pick me and my mum up. And yeah, I went over. I stayed by my wife's side for the whole day until baby was here. And I remember, baby, or my big girl making her entrance into the world. Saw her head, and the first thing I said was, ooh. And the whole room just started laughing, and my wife's like, are you serious? I was like, yeah, ooh. And yeah, then eventually, baby was born. I heard her cries and hit me straight in the heart, it did. And yeah, held my daughter for the first time, did skin to skin, and that was I've done skin to skin with all my kids, and that was one of the most magical moments of my life, becoming a father. And even that night I couldn't sleep because I'm a dad now. That's kind of what was going through my mind at the time. And the only thing about the hospital we were at in her hometown is they don't let people sleep over. So I got told you have to leave now, and I was annoyed, but understandable at the same time because the actions of other people in the past. So I was like, oh, okay, well, that sucks, but I'm gonna listen. And so yeah, I went back to my mother and father-in-law's with my mum. I was just lying in bed texting my wife, and we were talking about names. And because we had an idea of what we wanted to call our daughter, and eventually, so as you all know, at a young age I lost my sister, and now my eldest daughter carries my sister's name. And so after that, then we spoke about her having a Maori name as well. Ginger Ninja! Thank you very much, Mr. Gifter himself. Thank you for the brand new tier 1, my brother. Thank you very, very much, my bro. You've already done so much, my bro, and then you do more. Goodness gracious me, my brother. Thank you very much, man. Who was I? Yeah, so we were talking about what Maori name she could carry. She would carry, not could. And then we suggested that to use her older sister's name. So her older sister, my sister-in-law. But we didn't tell her till the next day. And when she was holding baby, that's when we told her, oh, she's named after you. And yeah, that was a pretty cool moment to share with her, because she started crying and holding the baby. And yeah, just like her auntie too. Fuck, no ears. So that was my first experience on becoming a dad for the first time, which was one of the most surreal moments of my life. That moment, absolutely crazy. And then eventually, many years later, I had 2 more kids who were girls. So yeah, I'm a girl dad pretty much. I'm a girl dad. So my mission in life is to raise my daughters to be strong, so they do not fall for, weak men. What colour do you normally associate with a Wednesday? Ooh, it is cold, so today the colour I will associate with a Wednesday is Bondi Blue. Bondi Blue. Do you watch rugby? You know the game, my bro. When I have the time to watch TV. I'm sure you're a phenomenal dad. Oh, bro. It presents its challenges. It presents its challenges, my bro. But yeah, I'm at the point as a father where, if they know they do something bad, I just gotta look at them. I'm like, babe, run into it. No. Yeah, so my Conqueror's Haki is pretty up there. Usually when there's chaos in the house when I get home, I just walk through the door and just look at them. They're like, sorry, Dad. Like, listen to your fella's mum. I'm South African, so we are the Springboks. Yeah, brother. Yeah, Sia Khaleesi is one of my favorite Springbok players. Favorite Springbok player of all time, though, is Brian Habana. Brian Habana. Absolutely love Brian, man. He's the man. Brian Habana. Our community is just tired up. Hey, what's your favorite JDM car? One that I get for free with a full tank of gas. If I have to be more specific, I don't know. I do like the R35, but then again, I like the older JDM cars too. Yeah, I really love the old school JDM cars. I watched, I was watching some Liberty Walk last night. Some Liberty Walk clips. And I'll be honest, I'm no purist, man, but some of the stuff they do to the cars, bro, is cool, and I just like how they think outside the box, eh? I love it, bro. Hopefully one day, me and my wife can go to Japan, and I can go to the Liberty Walk Cafe and just say I had a coffee there and saw all the cool cars. Have you owned a JDM car? If Mitsubishi Lancer, I think it was I can't remember what it was, counts, then yes. It was our family car. The white one, eh? I see. Yeah, I know which one you're talking about, bro. That one is nice. Honda. Che. I saw one, they did a Honda NSX. They done that right up, and it even had like a storage carriage on the top. They just made it work, eh? It looks so good. Thank you very much to Pabito JCR for the Optimus Prime for 3 months. Kia ora, Pabito. My brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Where are we? My grandpa owns a 60s Ford Mustang. Such a beautiful car. Oh, a lot of those old Mustangs are, eh? They're beautiful, man. There's a car dealership here. They've got a Mustang up for sale, and every time I drive past it, I'm like, "Fire, it looks beautiful." They've also got this old, like a real old Ford station wagon, square ass looking thing, but it looks cool. Hey Debbie, I'll show you what we've been doing soon. I'm just doing a little bit of cleanup right now. Do you have a dream car? Like, if I didn't have to put the kids in it and I could drive it by myself, yeah, I'll be honest, man, I'd like to just drive around in the R35 for the first time. Probably one of those, or one of the older JDMs, like the old Skyline. Not the 31, but it's like a 4-door, I think. Give us your funniest joke. Oh. You've kind of caught me at a crossroads here because I don't really have one. Thank you, Aquaman, and also Liam and Abs as well. Yeah, I think that's the one, my bro. Yeah. You've got me stuck between a rock and a hard place. Not too hard though, because then you start thinking about Jason Love. Why are you thinking about Jason Love now? Okay. Where are we at? Over here. What is something that it can be quite ambient in life? Having a shit with a sidebar and an open window. Ooh. Clarity. I'm not even lying. Thank you, Dylan. It's actually quite nice. Court carving this time. Let's go. What's up, brother? Nice to meet you, good sir. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What's up, brother Bryce over on Kick? How are you, my brother? Good to see you, my brother. How are you? Welcome on through, my bro. Just doing a bit of a 21st key for my nephew right now. I've got till next month, but it should be done soon. We're pretty much on the rough molding stage for now, but it won't take too long. How are you, my bro? I am back. Do you remember me? What's up, brother Cameron? Your name is familiar, I'll say that much. Jimmy! Thank you for the rose, my bro. My grandfather used to carve a lot. He was a huge inspiration in my life. Oh, namihi to your koro, my bro. Namihi to your koro, brother. Gotta drop some books off at the library, but I hope I'll be back before you sign off. Oh, good Penguin King. Do your thing, my brother. Do your thing. Yeah, so tomorrow, if anyone's jamming, let me know if you're jamming Dino Blade. I'll probably have to do Whakairo first. But I would like to see some Dino Blade gameplay. I'm gonna get it because it's hard. It's hard to say no to dinosaurs with giant swords. How do you say no to that? That sounds like an amazing game. Thank you very much as well, Wally. I see you. How's your day going, my bro? Going good so far. Woke up a bit late. Woke up at like 7:40. I was supposed to be up way earlier than that, but I may have done some excessive power wielding on stream last night. I jumped in on one of the bros servers and just been jamming with them. But I'm thinking of making a dedicated server as well for my own community. I've just got to figure out how to do that. Thank you very much, Lloyd, for the roses, my bro. How do you stay so positive? Things that help me in life. The gym is definitely one of them. One of my biggest whys to stay positive and keep going in life are my children too, and my family. And I like to, work on myself because I deserve the best version of myself, and so do my kids. Just off work, it's 5:25. I work from off-field in Louisiana. How's you been though, Bryce? You been looking after yourself, brother? Oh, you're doing good. Oh, kapai. That's good to know, my bro. Catch one of the streams from you. Love watching the process. It's so peaceful. Yeah, I'm trying to get through it as much as we can, my bro. How's your day going? Pretty solid so far, brother. And thank you for the contribution to all things beautiful, man. And your personality. Hey, appreciate you, big brother Mac. Return of the man. Appreciate you, brother. One must only be an asshole in game, in a roleplay scenario, not in a ranked game scene. Thank you very much, Liam. Oh, Finn, I see you, man. I know I would have missed a few more, but I want to say thank you to the ones on TikTok too. I really need to blow my nose. Hold up. And I saw a hydrate. Whew. Lawn oyster. Bloody lawn oyster over there. Hi there, bro. Pleasant morning. Morena, my bro. Morena. Thank you, brother Finn. Oh my god, that's cold. Hui. Always feel like people from that side of the world are genuinely nice people. In my opinion, In my opinion, if you want to, connect with people and make a lasting connection, you know, you treat those the way you want to be treated. You know, you be nice. I know the meta in the world is to be an asshole to be remembered, but the only asshole I want to remember is my own that I wipe. 3 times, by the way, 3 times. Yo, what's up, your boy Noah? BJ, thank you very much, my bro. And Warbrick 2, kia ora. Yeah, that's just how I see it, eh? The only asshole you should be remotely comfortable with is your own. The one you wipe. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Where are we? Great work, brother. Thank you, leg cramp. I hate leg cramps, eh, bro. Especially if it's in the ankle or the calf. Brother. How do you get leg cramps again? It's not from eating enough salt, right? What's up, elf? Are you like a Spanish elf? Would that be it? What kind of wood do you typically carve with? Majority of the time, yeah, it's usually tōtara or Cody. But sometimes I'll use pine as well. Just whatever I have, to be honest. So the last project we did, we carved rimbu. It was all good. This needs a sharpen. It wasn't too bad, actually. Where are we? Yeah, it wasn't actually too bad. Like, it felt good. Where are we? What's your favorite car? My favorite car is a R35 or one of the old school JDM cars. What's the most expensive wood you carved? One that I had to pay for. It was $100. But originally, because I knew how much it really was, I could have been paying $8. So I went to the wood recycling centre where I normally get my timber, and there was this nice piece of rata, which is a hard timber like this one. Thank you very much to Wawazuga for the gifties. Who was that? What was that? Love to see you. Just wish I was closer. It's it's like 11:30 in Scotland. Thank you very much, Seraphim, for the raid. Good to see you again, Seraphim. Kia ora, kia ora. So this is rata here, R-A-T-A, and it was like a long piece of timber, and let's just say I know it could have sold for $800, and the guy said, I'll sell it to you for $100, and I went, ooh, okay then. Who's your favorite UFC fighter other than the bro Izzy? Probably Max Holloway. Thank you very much, Wawa. Yeah, Max Holloway. And then, yeah, paid for their timber, and I was like, so yeah, W strap. I wasn't gonna tell him. Yeah, I definitely was not gonna tell him. He's like, have a good day, bye. Gotta go. And on. Love you to death, kid. Bro, I'm 34 turning 35. What? Did you see the new the Ty Kaliso skin they dropped this morning? Bro, I'm so getting that, bro. I am so getting that for E-Day. Oh shit. Bro, I cannot wait for our Gears of War E-Day, man. It's gonna be so good. It is gonna be so good, man. Thank you very much, is it Scobby? Did I say that right? Thank you very much for the gifty, my bro. And Bruce Wang as well. Bruce Wang, eh? John Wayne. Never change. I never will change, my bro. The only thing I can change is my clothes, because we can't wear those for too long. They get stinky. They get very stinky. Alright. How we doing, guys? What are your thoughts on God of War Lao Fei? I'll probably play it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna play it if it's got, you know, gods from different cultures. Count me in. I hope our culture's in there. Get me in. I know everyone's a bit mad because, you know, the character's not a big titty biscuit like every other character. But, bro, they had me at, you know, gods from different cultures. Yeah, I know people get mad when the female character is in a big titty biscuit like every other one. Have you done any work with Mighty? I have some Mighty with me, and yeah, I have done work with Mighty before. Yo, what up, Freddy? That's the you ain't got a gift guy. What's up, Chizzy? How are you, good sir? I'm looking for some new anime to watch as well, guys. I finished Fire Force. It was pretty good, eh? I really enjoyed it. I still like Burns though. Burns is still one of my favorite characters, and I forget the guy from the church, the one that got smoked, the main character got smoked by, and he wears the thing over his face. He's cool. I like him because he's just all out badass, eh? I wanna get back into Shangri-La Frontier as well. Because I love the MMO vibe, eh? The MMO vibe of some anime. Watch Hell's Paradise. What's that one about? Yeah, what's that one about? Obviously, probably hell, but you know. What do you carve? Top 3 favorite foods? I'm pretty basic. California roll. I'll be honest. I love my salmon sushi. Steak on its own with salt. What would be my last? What would be my last? Shit. I don't think I have another. Oh, Korean fried chicken. Those are probably my favorites. But there's one I love above these 3. And it is one I don't have to pay for. Thank you, Brother John. Give us a dessert too. I'm not really a dessert man, eh? Like if I want something sweet, I'll be honest, I'll just get a Hershey cake from BK. Can't go wrong with Benny Maru and Fire Force. Yeah, Benny Maru's cracked as, eh? He's cracked, bro. One series I'm waiting for again. What was that one anime we watched? Is it God of High School? Have they made another season for that? That was a cool anime, bro. Holy. Especially the homeless guy that danced on the roof. Raw fish. Oh, bro, raw fish sounds mean too. Oh, Palusami was the other one. Going back to some of the OG anime like Avatar, Last Airbender, and Kachi. What's that one? Seraphim. I recently started watching Hell's Paradise. It's my latest new favorite. Oh, is it that good? Someone suggested it in TikTok as well. Yeah, solo leveling was bloody amazing, eh? Like the animations went absolutely crazy in that. Iron is still my favorite because he's a papega. Brother's just like, oh! Yeah, I love Iron, and I'm waiting for the Grand Marshal to make his appearance. My man, I'm from Scotland and have been watching your short vids for years. You are a legend. Cheers, my bro. Bro, I recently found out I have Scottish heritage too. So I'm in the process of learning that as well. Just because, you know, it'd be cool to know, you know? Be cool to know both sides of my family. Log Horizon as well. Focus on MMO. Oh, is that another one? Yeah, because the only other MMOs esque style of anime I've watched is I put all my skill points into defense. That one. There's so much to Scottish heritage. That's what I love about it, bro. That's what I'm keen to learn. I just gotta start with my dad's mum because she's got it all. She'll be back from Aussie once winter's over. So she goes to Australia to her sister while it's winter here because it gets really cold. Really cold for her, which is understandable. But yeah, I'm down to learn. How long you been carving wood? Since I was 12. I'm 34 now. 34 years old, laddie. One moment. Just marking out where I'm going to put the eye. Thank you very much, Morgan Fitness. Kia ora. You'll find family. Yeah, so I just got to find, you know, just got to get in touch with my nan. Oh, shit, sorry. Get in touch with my nan and she can give me all the papers. Then I can start learning. Is it cold there in winter? It does tend to get cold, but it's a bit colder for me because I'm not as insulated as I used to be. I've lost a fair bit of weight, so yeah, I'm feeling winter's bite a bit more. Thank you very much, Ghost Emoji. Thank you very much, my bro, for the 30 roses. Yeah, so I'm it's a bit more nippier than usual for me. I won't lie. What are you making? Just a 21st key for my cousin. I might sharpen up again. So all we're really doing is cleaning up this section, so I'm happy with where it's at. It's just a matter of cleaning it up now. That's all we gotta do. You have such a strong and positive mindset. You're carving all the best to you, fam. Hey, thank you, my bro. In a way, bro, like this, like Whakairo in my culture keeps me leveled as well. Yo, what up, Blandish, bro? It's cold outside, bro. She's pretty cold, my brother. How are you, my bro? And oh, you got the golden K. Damn. Okay, I see you. I see you, brother. Got the golden K, eh? Damn, my man flexing. Your old ass only a year older. Cheer, my bro. Got lucky and won it. Nice, nice. But I've been having some dumb rolls with that, eh? Sorry, I just had to blow my nose again. Been having the teats rolls with that. What's the meaning of life, brother? To give life meaning by living it. You know? Living it, brother. Have you been good, brother Blandish? Have you been good, my bro? Lil Thomas, thank you very much for the what is it called? Heart. Oh my gosh. For the most part, I've been super busy. Oh, that's good, my bro. That's good. Hope you've been looking after yourself too, my brother, amongst all the busyness too. Good to see you always, my bro. The bro would absolutely smash a cable toss, to be honest. What's that? Obviously, it's a Scottish sport. Jar Jar, thank you very much for the heart, the hand heart. Bruce, thank you very much. Okay. Not expecting to see you live here on TikTok. Hey, Iggy. Oh, I try and go here live as much as I can, my bro. I'm on 4 different platforms now. Just trying to, you know, try my best around, you know, more than one frontier. Trying to do my best, my brother. So all I'm doing right now is just sharpening a chisel. Cable toss is a traditional Scottish event in which competitors flip. Oh, yeah. I have seen that, yeah. That'll be fun to try, I won't lie. I don't know if I'll be any good at it though. You sound so much like Korg. Cheers, bro. Keep warm, my brother. Have a great day. Thank you, my bro. I'll try and keep warm, brother. I'll try and keep warm. Man's on the grind, literally. I'm grinding, guys. Grinding harder than people that use Grinder. Yo, what up, Scottish kid? How you, my bro? Sending wish all the family happiness, love and health. You too, Kizuna. Right back at you, dank and eggy boy. Thank you very much. Yeah, if you guys are gonna wish happiness upon me, man, I want it for you guys too. I want it for everyone that follows us in all our platforms, eh? Carving's coming along nicely. Thank you, brother. What are your thoughts on... Oh, you already answered that. Okay, I think we're good. Other side now. And we do the other side. What's the time there? It is 10:49 for me. Thank you very much, Louis and Connor. Thank you very much, guys. Do you have multiple monitors? No, I've got 3 chats on my laptop and just the phone. hanging off the side of the car so it's close to the Wi-Fi. Pretty much. What do you think of the construction trade? What? The construction trade? What do you think the best construction trade is best to do where you live? Oh, I would have never clue, my bro. Never done construction. I've been a woodcarver all my life. Do you know who Jordan Mailata is? Yes, I do. He is my favourite player in the NFL and he plays for the Mighty Birds. Go Birds, baby. Go Birds. Yo, what up, Ibby? How you, my bro? I'm in the process of saving up, my brother. So, hopefully you hear from me soon. Hope you're doing well, brother AB. I see the bro got caught yesterday. Hi, what do you call your language? So, te reo Maori? So, basically te reo Maori. The Maori language, te reo. Ko te reo Maori tōku reo tuatahi, so te reo Maori is my first language. Are there any other languages I would love to learn? Yes, the main one would be sign. Sign language be the next one I want to learn. Okay, yeah, we're good. Leaning your phone against the car aerial. I don't even know if this car has an aerial. Oh yes, it's got a shark fin aerial. So Broly, yeah, so I really want to learn sign language be the next language I'd love to learn. Thank you very much, Dank. He deserves to be vice CEO, boys. Of what? TikTok? Thank you very much, my bro. What would I be vice CEO of? How you been, brother AB? Yeah, vice CEO of what? I live in Rotorua, my bro. So in the town that smells like rotten eggs. So the reason why the city smells like rotten eggs so much is because of the sulfur. That's pretty much the reason. Love from California. Much love, my bro. Are we upping the wires today? Wait, it's Wednesday. Do they have a game today? What's Christchurch like? Cold. Cold, my bro. I've only been, never been to Christchurch though, but I know it's cold because they're down in the south. Do you play any rugby? Nah, I have like years ago, but as a kid. As a kid, my bro, not an adult. Good, but I just got back from work. Oh, chill, my bro. Time to relaxation, my bro. You say you normally finish around this time, my bro? So I normally see you in a stream, having a yarn. Okay, now it's cutting clean. Cup white. we go. We went to Christchurch a while ago and we asked my ass whānau when does it get warm? And they said it is warm. Yeah, one of my bros has a burger place down there that I want to try. It's called Papa Smashy's Burgers. I want to go and try it, you know, one day when I'm in Christchurch. How different are South and North Islands from each other? One's colder than the other. One's got more mountains. This is just going off what I know. There's more Maoris up here than down there. Yeah, and it's cold. Nice place though. It seems like a nice place. Closer to Queenstown. Cheers from Sweden. Hello, brother. You're so chill. Chill, brother. Yeah, I mean, just you know, go with the flow attitude I have, my bro. I don't know, man. I think I was a turtle in my past life, eh? Because I'm pretty easygoing as well when it comes to trips. Yeah, I could have been a turtle in my past life. Turtle, tortoise, whatever one. Oi! Budget Noodle, thank you very much for the 5 bomb. Hey, and people are saying thank you for their sub already. These are too quick, alright? Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, my bro. If you got one of those, please give our bro a thank you. Damn, there were thank yous coming in straight away. Thank you, my bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh man, my nose is getting cold. You're welcome, Rox. Hey, there he is. The man himself. How are you, good sir? What's up, Darth Ravens? How are you, my bro? Much love from San Diego. What's up, brother? How are you in San Diego, my bro? So if anyone's at BlizzCon this year, to anyone that can hear me, if you're going to BlizzCon this year, come say hello to me, okay? Make sure you come say hello to me. Thank you, Yuffie, for gifting a sub as well. We haven't even chatted before and casually drops a 5. Yeah, gotta say thank you to the bro. Yeah, if you're going to BlizzCon this year, make sure you come over and say hello to me, okay? I'd love to meet everyone. What's up, Aaron? You don't believe this, but I'm Scottish. I believe it because of your profile pic and your name. You're going to Armageddon, Auckland. When's that, my bro? Yeah, I'll be at BlizzCon in September, and I may go back to PAX this year because the bro's trying to do a panel. It's kind of a panel where it's for streamers that, you know, have family and kids, you know. Like, what are the challenges as a, you know, a dad or a family man, as opposed to, you know, streamers that don't have kids. That's what the panel is about. From the Philippines, Kamusta, how are you? James, kia ora, my bro, thank you. You're doing 1 hour kōrero, it's all good. I've already done 12 pieces this year. How you, my cuz? Congrats on getting married too. I saw that. Welcome to the club, my cuz. I hope Edu stayed away from those lady boys. What time is it over there? The barley action. Yeah. I look mean. Edu's living. Oh, is he? Or you tell him I said that too. Ran away fast like how you were the fastest runner at Tandy. Nah, hope you've been good. Hope you've been good. Hope Mahi's been well too. Yeah, so that's what the panel is gonna be about if I do come over back to Melbourne again after America. Is yeah, it's gonna be centered around streamers with families pretty much, and how do we navigate, from being with our families to trying to do our jobs as well. And yeah, it was a pretty cool idea, and obviously me and the bro are, family orientated as usual. I couldn't say no to the bro too, because he's someone I've watched stream for many years. Shout out to the bro, Solly Kifs on Kick as well. That's who he is these days. I'm Denied. Thank you for the follow over on Kick too. Are you part Scottish? Yeah, I found out I have Scottish heritage on my dad's side. So I'm just waiting for my grandmother to get back from Australia after winter. Then she'll give me the papers with all the names, and so I can learn. Yeah. Like who's our main ancestor and what line do we come off, kind of thing. Why is it that the island people seem so nice and chill? No nuclear, I guess. Just nucleus. Nah, I don't know. This is just the nature of how we are. Take care, chaps. Gotta go. All good, my bro. Have a good one, eh? Did you ever want to come to Scotland? One day, my bro. Bit of a hard thing to want right now as someone who's got a whole entire family now. But who knows, one day. Have to make a trip of it. See where my Scottish tupuna are from. And the people from the UK. Oh, hey, you should be asleep, McKinley. It's late. I know it's late in the UK. Have a good one, Becky. I was listening to one rapper from the UK. SD Kid. He just popped up on my my Spotify DJ. I'm a scumbag. Then a little bit of doom scrolling. Ain't nothing wrong with that as long as you're not scrolling till 3 a.m. Mind you, the funny reels are at 3 a.m. Hitting pretty good, eh? Oh, Jiggy. Yeah, Jiggy just got up. What you up to today, my Kanaka? Where can I donate? I don't know. I genuinely don't. So just come watch. What other platforms are you on? So we're on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and TikTok. I was up at 6 a.m. I was getting ready for work, and then told me to lay in. So got comfy. Fair enough. Fair enough. I'm gonna tell you right now. Lay down. Lay down. Don't you get up right now and you go back to sleep. I'm gonna tell you right now. Getting rid of some of the scratch marks on this arm. What am I gonna train today? It's Wednesday. We've done chest and back. Yeah. How did you find out you were part Scottish? Well, my cousin who asked me to do this key told me. He goes, yeah, just I forgot to tell you that Nanny, not gonna say my grandmother's name, has our Scottish papers if you want to learn them. And I was like, what? What do you mean Scottish? He goes, yeah, we got Scottish heritage. I was like, so you telling me all this time, every time I hear the bagpipes and I want to punch someone because I feel so energetic, it's because I am one. And he goes, yeah, we're part Scottish. I was like, oh, no wonder I like the sounds of the bagpipes and never knew why. So yeah, that's how I found out we had Scottish heritage, and I'm just waiting for our papers, our family papers, so I can learn. Yeah, I always wondered, well, I was like, why am I getting amped by the bagpipes? I was like, oi! And hence the reason why I started listening to Rowdy Roddy Piper's theme song at the gym one time. Thank you very much for the mustache, Ahmad. Cherry brother Ed, how you, my bro? So yeah, there's going to be 2 countries I'm going to be watching at the Rugby World Cup this year. That's a lie, I watched quite a few, even Japan.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Oi, what was that? Do you sand down the work at all? Nah, we push clean it, my brother. Clean it with a chisel. So pretty much what I'm doing right now, that's how we would clean it. Thank you very much to Caesar X3. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. So all I'm kind of doing right now is just taking the ridge off the arm that we had. Thank you very much for the 29 roses, Harry. Now watch you, me included. Really? Oh, well, if you are from Scotland and you are watching this, hello family, hello whānau. I will learn who I am soon on your guys' side of the world. Biznad, I remember your name. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much to Harry as well. Hi, I'm from Scotland too. Hello, Ryan. How are you? We need to find some Scottish streamers to raid. I'm going to start going on the lookout for some streamers from Scotland. I won't tell them why I'm going to raid them. I'll just say, hey, just do it. Yeah, I'm going to start looking for some Scottish streamers to raid on all our platforms. What's your favorite type of tree? One that I don't have to pay for, that's already milled and to the thickness that I need. I mean, it helps, you know. Where are we? Oh, what's that, Chris? Someone asking for something to do in the country. Thank you very much to TV Brot. Love your work, bro. Love from Germany. Hey, thank you, brother. Hey, I know it's late for you too. Don't you stay up too late, Brot. I see you, my brother. I see the EU is staying up a little bit late. The World Cup is finished now. No point staying up at silly o'clock. Where you based? Aotearoa, my bro. And a personality to match? Hey. Thank you. Please reveal to your community. What is that? Sorry, I just saw an interesting comment that I'm nosy and want to see. Please reveal to your community gift by tapping the live. Wait, there's no chest though. I don't see a chest. Why are you trying to play me? Is it hard to get into woodworking? Not really. The only thing that's gonna make it hard for you to get into something new is yourself, you know? That's pretty much all there is to it. For me, like, my advice to you is just jump into it. If it's something new that you guys want to try in life, just jump into it without hesitation, because you won't know till you try. TikTok gives community gifts. Ooh, where? Hang on. Where's this? What do I click on? You need to click the 3 dots. Where everyone's liking? I can see live gifts, comment, about me, live highlights, campaigns, remove background noise, settings, need help, report a problem. That's what I can see from the live. Sorry, I'm learning how to use TikTok, guys, other than going live and posting videos. So what do? Go to live gifts. Your TikTok can have a house. So what do I do with this? I see set as goal, and it's got like heaps of gifts. This is so confusing. Yeah, I don't know what any of that meant. Where are we over here? I missed the World Cup. Yeah, it was actually cool seeing the World Cup on TV, I won't lie. It actually became a part of my routine as well. My toes ain't defrosting, I'm off for a shower. All good, my bro. Are you a Kiwi? I'm a Maori. Good morning, brother from the Philippines. Morena, good sir. Morena. Don't mind that. That's just roadworks. That's gonna fill a pothole, aka one pothole, for about a week. Okay, personal opinion. The roadworks in this country, I feel like they've figured out the hack, you know? I feel like they've figured out the money printing hack. All they need to do is fix a pothole, because they know they've got to come back months later and fix it again. So it's an endless cycle. I feel like they've cracked the code, these roadworks in the country. As I tell you what, the potholes around this place, bro, whee! Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. That's how I've been seeing it lately with the potholes in the roadworks. Are you Samoan? Ah, Maori, brother. Maori, my bro. Well, you know, got a lot of love for my people in Te Moana Nui a Kiwa. Always, always. You're my pooling. Have you watched Jonah from Tonga? No, I haven't. No, I haven't seen that. I'm scared that this section's gonna have a nail in it. Take my breath away. Pooling. Did someone give some... Hey, what's up, brother? Where are we? Love your work. Thank you, Derailer, over on YouTube. Thank you, my bro. How do you read the comments from so far away? Squint? I don't know. She's mine. What's up, Delirious? How are you, my brother? Pretty much. One of the funniest comedies I've seen growing up. Yeah, I've never actually seen it, eh? Thank you, brother Delirious in last 69. Thank you very much. How you been there, Delirious? Have you commented yet? We'll fix up this arm a bit more and then have a bit of a break. Yes, I'm just getting a bit weary. So there's this section on the arm. It's giving nail hole vibes. So I'm just being wary of it. I'm gonna dig some of it out with the pencil. And I think I just found it. Yeah. Okay, you sneaky bugger. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, not even. Jokes. Next minute. Gank. Where are we? It's the funniest comedian. Oh, is it based here? True. I thought it would have been based in Aussie or something. Thank you very much, Delirious just became a super fan. What's that? For sending super fan box. Thank you. Thanks, Lonely Lane. What's a super fan? What is that? Big fan from Malaysia. Kia ora, Shreks. Thank you very much. What's a super fan? Thank you very much, brother Shreks. I'm trying to keep up. Thank you, Scottish Magician and Shreks. I love you, man. You're the nicest person I've seen. Oh, cheer, my bro. As long as you're good, my brother. As long as you are good. That's the main thing. She's a super freak, super freak. Oh wait, so super fans are subscribers? Wait, you can subscribe on TikTok? I'm learning something new. Oh, you can? Oh. So if there's subscribers on TikTok, thank you to those that have become super fans. I had no idea that was a thing. So if people can become super fans on this, can you raid people on TikTok? Spadex, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime all the way from Serbia. Kia ora, my brother. How are we doing all the way in Serbia, my bro? Geez, what's the time for you? All the way in Serbia, eh? Thank you very much, Elvis and Preston. Are you on Twitch? Yeah, I'm on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and TikTok. Thank you very much, Spade. Yeah, so can you, like, for TikTok, Eldris, bro, holy, and Isaiah as well. So with TikTok, I just want to say before I carry on saying thank you, can you send viewers to another live creator? I'm not talking about a live creator that does those TikTok battles, just someone that's actually streaming as well. Can you do that? 1:20 a.m. Always good to see you. It lifts my mood. Okay, just want to make sure you get some good sleep too, my brother. Thank you very much for the 360 roses, bro. And Isaiah coming in with the stacked amount of roses too. Shout out, bro. Well, is that the only way you can raid someone? Thank you, Isaiah. Please reveal community gift by tapping live gifts. Hold on, guys. Oh, treasure box interaction. That's it. Is that what I do? I don't know. Is that what I click on? The treasure box? Thank you very much, Isaiah and Flynn. Would you rather quit wood carving or TikTok? TikTok. No, there should be a second option at the top. Live gifts. So there's... Okay, there's Arcade Fun Fair. There's Karpai Rose Community Gift. Treasure Box. Yeah. That's what I can see right now. So which one do I click on? Sorry guys, I'm helping TikTok and learning. Click that one. Community? Community gift. Okay. Oh! Name your gift. Manatiki. Oh, how did it make that? Don't tell me that's AI generated. I'm calling it the Brox Tiki. Oh, that's pretty cool. There we go. I'm screenshotting this. Hold up. Confirm. There we go. I did it. I did it. Oh, so they make their own gift for you? That's pretty cool. I don't know. I think I done it right. I think I done it right. How do I make blackwood stain? You jork it off until it feels hot. I'm sorry, bro. I had to. I had to. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's pretty cool. Thank you very much for the aroha, guys. Holy, we got our own TikTok gifty. It's, yeah, I named it Brox Tiki, by the way. Wow, I didn't know there was a thing. Thank you, Snow, for the follow over on Kick as well. Hey, brother, I'm back. All good, Snow. Hello again. Wow, that's cool. I didn't know that was a thing. Thank you for showing me, guys. Does that stay forever or does it disappear? Does it disappear? What's up, Crowley? How you doing? Sorry, I just learnt something new on TikTok. Oh. Bro, don't forget us. Why would I want to forget you? It's forever? What? I want to get that on a shirt. I had to take a screenshot. I don't know, that's just pretty cool that you get personalized gifts on TikTok, eh? How did they know to do a tiki though? Is it because of my past profile photo maybe? That's pretty cool. So you're teaching me new things that I didn't know was a thing. Do you masturbate your... No. But I play with my kin force. Now what I want you to do is say kin force real fast. Especially everyone on the other platforms too. Go. Kinforce. You're welcome. You need to make it a GIF. How do I make it a GIF though? Like those ones. Thank you very much, Isaiah, and everyone that's doing the tiki gift as well. Bro, that's cool. Have no clue what's going on. Oh, it's all good, Kralia. It's all good. Got other places to tune in, my bro. So, just for a little bit of context, guys, everyone on TikTok was showing me how to do a community gift. And TikTok turned one of my emotes into a thing. Drive fast, eat what? Ass. Just learn about New Zealand's manus. Oh yeah, you've been doing a few tucks, my bro. It's winter here, so yeah, there'll be no manus from me, good sir. No manus from me. I'm surprised we haven't found this nail yet, or if it's even there. Thank you very much, Maddox. Any Megarines? I'll be honest. Ever since the Bulldog Noodles there, I've never gone back to Megarines. Never. Do you have a favourite genre of music? It varies on depending on the day. One day I might be listening to Bob Marley, the next day you never know, I might be listening to Killswitch Engage. If it's not Killswitch Engage, you never know, I might be listening to Olivia Dean. And if it's not Olivia Dean, it could be the Bee Gees. If it's not the Bee Gees, it could be K-pop Demon Hunters or BTS. So it can vary. Thank you very much, Crowley, for the tier 1, my bro. Yeah, the black Bulldog noodles are not too bad. I haven't found the ×2 hot ones yet, but my favorite ones are the pink ones. Yeah, you just and when you do the TikTok recipe, yeah, that's my favorite one. I haven't tried the yellow ones though. Apparently they're chicken flavor. Has anyone else tried them? You deal with spice. Well, we pretty much hoofed it down. The carbonara noodles, yeah, I like them, eh? Add a bit of steak, a bit of egg. Oh, bro, it's nice. I am a fan. Yeah, I like the carbonara one. It's really nice. But I haven't tried the yellow one. Fair metalhead myself. Nice. Yeah, has anyone tried the... What about the new Whittaker's Goody Goody Gumdrops? I may have bought a block of the Whittaker's Goody Goody Gumdrops yesterday. Why yesterday? Because my wife's not here. I had one line. Those are the only lines I do in life. Chocolate lines. Yeah, oh, I won't lie, I like it. I like the Goody Goody Gumdrops. I'll go and get it. I'll go and get it. Yeah, so this is it here. This is the guilty pleasure. You know, one line. One line. It's actually quite nice. I like it. I'm not going to eat some now because, you know, my chocolate o'clock is in the afternoon. And we do not want to upset the calorie deficit whilst being on, you know, weight loss vibes. Yeah, I like this one. The Goody Goody Gumdrops one. But my favorite Whitaker's chocolate is the peanut butter one because I like peanut butter. Used to eat it by the spoon as a kid. And the almond one. Yeah, so I don't really like Cadbury. If you eat Cadbury, just know it's fake. It's chemical chocolate. They don't use milk, sugar, and cocoa butter anymore. That's why Cadbury chocolates are all bendy and shit. Eat these ones straight from the cow's tit. Rum and raisin. Wait, what's that one? That one sounds nice. You helped me through some tough times. You don't know me, but I appreciate you. I know you. Your name is Eden Caswell. Well, I'm proud of you, my brother. That's the main thing I want to say to you. You know, we all go through different hurdles in life, eh? But if you know this little section, if I can't even talk properly, helps out with you know all our silent battles that we face up here. We all face them, brother. You know, I consider that a W, and I feel like we're doing something right. Oh, it's a Cadbury flavour. Yeah, I don't know, ever since I saw that shit they do with the Cadbury, eh? Never went back. Yeah, I still eat peanut butter by the spoon too, but it's not worth the growling sometimes from the wife. Bro, how do you stay positive? There's things in life that help me stay this way. My kids, and I'm going to the gym, my bro. And I won't lie, being able to do what I love day in, day out helps too. But I mean, I've been doing this since the age of 12. Like, even when I wasn't making anything, I was still doing it. Yeah. So if you can dedicate, you know, a fixed amount of time to something you're very passionate about in life, I want you to do so, even if it's just an hour or less. You know, you never know. But they filled it with palm oil. Ooh, so they're jorking it off, then putting it in the chocolate? I'm joking, I know what palm oil is. Hey, much love, Bono. I mean, I'm gonna show respect back to everyone as well, you know? I'm not really out here trying to be jackass number 1083. Are you still refusing donos? Richard, in this day and age, no, I'm not. I'm more open to them now. But that was from a conversation I had with my grandmother. Unfortunately, it was the last one we had, and before she passed, and it was around, you know, subs and bits and all that. And you know, me as a how old was I when she passed? 32-year-old man. I'm 34 now. She sat my ass down and yeah, she spoke to me and basically said, "I want you to try and be more open, not for yourself but for your family and for me." And because she said, you know, I know how you are because me and your mum raised you to be that way, and your grandfather too. Like, I'll be honest, even when we were in lockdown and all of that was happening, I say this hand over heart, my first thought wasn't with my family, it was with those that were gifting. Yeah, and I say that in all honesty, at that time. But it was hard, like, I pushed back at my nan too. I said, no, it's alright, I'll be fine. And she hit me on the head with her crutch. And, yeah, gave me the talk about it that I needed. And unfortunately, yeah, that was the last conversation I had with her because she passed away the next day. Yeah, from COVID. She had the COVID, my bro. And when we found out she was up at the hospital, we were literally going up. And a minute before I opened the door, she had passed away. Because she had signed a paper to not be resuscitated as well. And in a sense, I understood why she did it, because in the 2 years leading up to her last day, her health was going up and down, and she had arrested like twice. And I never told the stream this till she had passed away. Yeah, that's a big thing that I was dealing with. But at the same time, one thing I was grateful for that, you know, my grandmother got to spend time with my kids, her grandkids, uh, and you know, I had my time with my grandmother. So when the time came where she had left, you know, I felt at peace because you know I was there with my mum, seeing it all happen throughout those 2 years, and I was relieved for her as well, just because she's old school, she's stubborn as shit. She had to get a hip operation to get her hip bone replaced, but because she's so stubborn, she wouldn't. She goes, I came into the world with my bits and bobs, and I'll leave with them too. Yeah. So that's just the kind of person she was. Yeah. And obviously passed it on to me. And yeah, so even as I say this too, one of the biggest purchases I made as Brox was paying for my grandmother's funeral. Yeah, that's the biggest thing I paid for. And then after that, it was a fridge. And I still got their fridge today too. So yeah, it's unfortunate, but you know, at the same time, because of you guys and the position you've put me in, I had the power to take that stress off my mum with the funeral costs, you know, the coffin and all that. I just said, because I had a subathon like a month prior, and I pretty much cleaned out my PayPal account and gave it all to my mum. Yeah, just cleaned it all out. Here, this is for the funeral, and don't worry about everything. Like I'll handle it, and yeah, the death certificate and everything too. So yeah, this is a story I often share, you know, now and again. But you know, when people ask if I'm open to gifts, I want to make sure, you know, I'm being honest. Yeah, I don't want to be that guy and not be honest, you know. Where are we? Had not seen your stream in ages. Glad to catch a conversation right now. Here with your big brother. Hey, Valdito. Thank you, my bro. Thank you very much, my brother. Yeah, so yeah, that's the reason why now, like, my nan made me change my mindset around it, and she was basically the only one that could, you know, who was alive. Like, I couldn't do it with my wife. Like, she didn't. She was in the same boat as me, like, in my way of thinking. Like, what about the others? And we were first time parents too. So we raised our eldest daughter through COVID, and then we had our second daughter. I just want to put it out there that I did not have a lockdown baby. Okay? Didn't have a lockdown baby, alright? She was born a whole year after lockdown. Okay? Whole year. So when a year of lockdown was passed, then we had a baby a year later. Sorry, I gotta say it like that. I sounded stupid before. So yeah, that's my flex. No lockdown baby. I didn't get that bored. I mean, I did get some, but you know, I didn't get that bored. Hey, what up, Ray? How you doing? How you doing? Is there a way I can show love and support back? I need to, you don't know. You're here right now, Eden. You're doing it already. With your eyes and your ears. What's up, Trey? Thank you very much, man. You look so kind. Oh, you know, it's good to be nice in life. But, you know, when people... I have a bad side to me, like, you know, it just takes the, you know, a special kind of asshole to bring it out, and we haven't come across one yet. Who knows? I'm about to start playing League of Legends rank game. We might come across the one. The one. There's 5 in a team, so you know there's 4 chances out of that. We might come across the one who might stop me from getting my Rengar skin. Thank you very much, Lon, for the Brox Tickies. That's so cool that they make a badge, eh? That is so cool, bro. Will you be trying Classic Plus? Yes, I will be. Why you want to suffer? Because Rengar's one of my favourite characters. I already missed out on last season's one. Brom's one of my all-time favourite characters. I've been waiting for Brom to get a Victorious skin, and life be lifing, and I missed it, unfortunately. So I've got one more chance. Another one of my favourite characters has received the Victorious skin, so I can't miss out on Rengar's one as well. I can't. I need to get Rengar's one too. And saying that too, a preview of something that I'm planning for myself. Gadgi, thank you very much. It does involve League of Legends. Okay. I am gonna do a new series of League of Legends for myself, and it is called The League of Suffering. Okay. Now, we all know there's a lot of League of Legends characters within the game, and so there are a lot that are mechanically hard for someone of myself at the age of 34 with no mechanics at all. And well, we have a long list of champions to choose from, the likes of Lee Sin, Riven, Yasuo, who else, etc, etc. And well, I am planning to do a series where I learn one of these highly mechanical champions and seeing how far I can take it. I'm thinking whether I let the community choose or I choose, you know. Katarina's another one, yeah. You look like a Katarina man. Hey, I got a nice forehead. I'm not trying to smash my keyboard. That's how you play Katarina, right? Pentakill. Bang, 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 bang. Pentakill. Oh, sorry, that's the old Katarina. You can play that in Classic. So who knows? I won't lie. There's this artwork on Twitter that I saw. It's of Riven, and it's making me want to play Riven. I'm wondering if I should choose or let the community choose. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, that's a little fun series I'm gonna do. We might take it to ranked. I don't know. You know, we might have a couple weeks of learning and getting used to said champion, and then take it into ranked and get absolutely washed. Tell me if you get from coin donations. Oh, Eden, don't worry about it too much, brother. It's all good. Project Ascension. Yeah, I've heard people playing that. Oh, I thought it was getting shut down. Yeah, I probably won't be playing any WoW till after BlizzCon. Lucky I got Power World and others to play. Yeah, I won't be playing any WoW till after BlizzCon. Where are we? What's up, Will? I don't know, brother Eden. For me, bro, like, you're here talking to me, I feel like that's contribution in itself. In terms of, like, support. And for me personally, my bro, I can't tell you what to do with your money. That's not who I am. Oh, Yone and Yasuo, them, yeah, who knows. So yeah, we'll look through the list. But man, you see everyone playing Yone, Yasuo, and all of them, eh? I might go back to the OG and play Riven. Or I can let you decide. Well, now the ping would be an OC, probably dreadful. I wouldn't put it past that. Have you seen that Guardian Maya game? Yeah, I've been still waiting for it. I got to play a little bit of it at when they had their big esports convention up in Auckland. Got to play a little bit of Guardian Maya. Apparently that Portuguese song is a bad one, eh? Lucian. Is Lucian, you ever played Tristana? So the characters that I played a lot of in League of Legends was Galio. I've been playing him since he was blue and yellow. Volibear is another one. Volibear is actually the character that pulled me to the game. Because I saw my bros, there was 3 of my bros who were playing League at an internet cafe. I was just seeing what they were doing. And then I saw them get tower dived, all 3 of them. Got tower dived by a Volibear. And yeah, they got their behind stretched wide open by this armored bear, and I was like, I want to be that guy. I'm gonna play this game, but I want to be that guy. So yeah, I was pretty much captivated by an armored bear. I was like, damn, he's destroyed you. Yeah, so I started in season 3. Yeah. So I've been playing Volibear ever since too. I absolutely love Volley for that reason specifically. And who else did I play in season 3? Rengar. When Rengar could one shot and you didn't know where he was going to come from his ulti. And Udia too, when he had Dorito chip claws. Classic Udia when he had no cooldowns on the stun, just tiger, 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 bear, tiger, 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 bear, bear, bear. Phoenix, he just had no cooldown on the stun. Who else? I did try and play a Kali. She was hard. Triple Q, yeah bro, just straight glass cannon, go up, invis ult to them, dead. Rinse and repeat, dead, dead, dead. Yeah, that's what I loved about Rengar, bro. Just put people in the grave straight away. And the enemies. Yeah, man. But hey, cheer, brother Fred. You gonna play League Classic? Yeah. Oh, speaking of yeah, season 3, Classic Scion or OG Scion, when he was Arnold Schwarzenegger, X-wielding Skullface Scion, AP Scion. That's what I used to play a lot of. And who else? And Jax was another one. So those were kind of like the ones I played at the time. I played Akali once and I went, I don't think I can play Akali. So yeah, those are the ones I played back in the day. She scares me. Bro, I saw this one, like, absolutely god tier out of their mind Akali player on TikTok, eh? Oh, it's crazy. Old Cat and Warwick. Oh, Warwick's ulti when he just pops out in front of you no matter where he is. And he's like, no. Dude. Well, thank you. Oh, bro, Eden. Thank you, brother. Bro, it's hard for me to tell people what to do with their money, my bro. It's something I could never do. Thoughts on the greatest rivalry tour? Oh, it's been gonna be good to see some good quality rugby again, my bro. Regardless of who wins, I still enjoy watching the Box and the All Blacks play. It's gonna be cool. It's the only reason I probably watch TV too. So yeah, for League of Suffering, who knows? I might have to go with the OG and try Riven. Maybe. We're not there yet. Yeah. But before that, I'm off to bed. Have a good sleep, my bro. Have a good sleep. Okay, I think we've done a fair bit today. Still got a lot of cleaning to do. A lot of push cleaning. Love your videos, man. Thank you, Bustler. Yeah, before I go to the gym, I'll probably upload some more clips too. I'm trying to be consistent with uploading. Yeah. Gosh, the bloody sun, eh? Hold up. Thank you very much, big... Yo, Preston and Eden. Thank you very much for the aroha, my brothers. You got a favourite childhood movie? It's always been Lion King. Always was. Yeah. Oi, Sirio! Yo, thank you for being our 5th subscriber on Kick. We just hit our Kick sub goal. Hey, thank you. So that's all we've done so far right there. Thank you, Sirio. Ain't you subbed on Twitch though? Yeah, so all we're doing, guys, is just the 21st key. Nothing too crazy. So we're just working on this section of the Manaya here, and the rest of that will be the key. Yeah, just a pretty simple mold. How do you access the close-up camera? Go to the other platforms, my bro. So you have the options of Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. Thank you, Syria. I'm pretty sure you're subbed on Twitch. Hey, you're already subbed somewhere. You don't need to do it somewhere else. Are you the guy? Hey, brother. Yeah, it's me. How are you? What's up, Chill Dante? Let me just get rid of the secondary and we'll leave it there. Hey, don't you try and Futurama me. Alright. Alright guys, I'm still undecided what I should train today. What do you reckon? Is it too late to say out to Maori? You still have 8 minutes, or 7 actually, so you're good. 7 minutes of morning left. So you're good, Cheers, brother Eden. You have a good day too if you're heading out, my bro. Never thought 12 degrees would look this cold. For us, I think it's yeah, I don't even know. I don't know. What's the time? It is 11:53 today. At the moment, I want to donate to you when I can donate. Just make sure you look after yourself first. Best tools for carving? Probably chisels, my bro. Chisels. So a lot of my pack I actually got from the Maori wood carving school I went to. So if you graduate, they let you keep your pack of tools because they're the ones that buy them for the students. Pretty much. Thank you for the Brox Tiki, my bro, at Eden as well. I can't believe we got our own bloody gift on TikTok. That's still unreal to me. But how long will you be live? I will be finishing up on TikTok first in a couple minutes. Sorry about that, my brother. So pretty much what I'm going to do after this is cook my lunch, then go straight to the gym. And I am going to train shoulders and tries today. You will do that. Save legs for Friday. Save legs for Friday. What are we eating? So we will be having 200 grams of chicken, 100 grams of rice with some mixed veggies as well. And then we're going to go to the gym. Hope you have a good session. Thank you, my brother. Oh, I will, my bro. I will. So that's what we're going to be slamming today. Probably cook it up in the George Foreman. Ever since we got it from our wedding, bro, I have not looked back. I have not looked back, my bro. Have not used the pan for a while. Well, he's on, yeah, I need to give me some moko bands though. I want to support the bro, but not by getting some for free. I'd rather buy them. I just don't know where to get them from here. Or do you have to get them online? my kids have swimming today, so thankfully the aquatics that they go to has Wi-Fi, so I don't have to jump in the water. I hate swimming in chlorine, bro. Yuck. What chisels do you have? I have Swiss made chisels from a shop called Carbatec. CRBATEC. Talking about an air fryer? No, a George Foreman. It's like 2 hot plates and you pretty much squish them together. We do have an air fryer though. We had a pretty mean feed last night, so I air fried two kumara for the girls, sweet potato, and then I mashed it up when it was done, mixed it with cheese, mashed it up again, and I cooked some mince, some prime mince by the way, not the fat one, and I mixed taco seasoning and cheese on the top again, and that's what they had for dinner. Bro out here cosplaying as a tank. Hey, glad I could make it before the stream was over. All good, Penguin King. Hope you had a good, safe trip to the library, my bro. We're not ending just yet. We're just having a bit of a yarn. Alright, TikTok. I'm going to finish up with you guys first. But thank you very much for joining me on TikTok today. And thank you for showing me how to get our own gifty thing too on TikTok. That's pretty cool that we got our own. I'm going to show Twitch and YouTube and Kick as well. But have a good one, TikTok. See you around. Thank you for all the love. And I will see you all tomorrow. Okay? Ka kite. I'll show you guys what it is. So, they were showing me this gifty thing. And I didn't know TikTok will make a thing for you. So they used my profile picture. I know it's giving AI vibes, but yeah, that's it there. Can you even see it? Yeah. Tiki mana. Yeah, so that's what so it used my profile picture to make a TikTok gift on the platform, which I thought was pretty cool. Oi, new One Piece pop vinyls. Oh, dumb. Never mind. Which reminds me, I need to do my voice lines today. I'm just wondering how I can do my voice lines clear, eh? Curse AI, yeah, you can tell it's AI, but yeah. Yeah, I'll be honest, some of the AI flyers you see, bro, they're a bit much. Okay. Jiggy, you got any suggestions? El Serio, you know anyone that's on right now? I think Kefs might be live. I would assume you're in Hawaii. I wish. I'm down the bottom of the triangle, my brother. And Aotearoa. I want to go to Oahu one day. One day. Also, guys, I want to say thank you very much for all the subs today. Bro, you went absolutely ham. You went absolutely crazy today. So, fuck, we're 5 away from our goal too. Fuck, thank you, guys. Thank yous. I'm just looking on now. See who can raid. Just seeing who we can raid, guys, but yeah, that'll be us for today. What was that? Wait, where's my chat? Oh, thank you very much, Stoned Wolf, for the Optimus Prime. So, thank you very much. I just saw it on the notification. I'm just checking raid browser right now. It kind of just shows, you know, people of similar interests to you that you might want to raid. I would send you to one of my artist bros, but he's drawing a booba elf, so I don't think that's we should do that. He's drawing a big titty elf. Yeah, he's drawing a big titty elf, so I don't know if that's the play. So, jeez. Yeah, I don't know if we should, raid someone drawing a big titty elf, you know? Seems fair, Seems fair. Alright, Sirio, I might send you to the bro Kifs. You should be on. Have a good one, Sirio. I'm raiding kickoff right now. Have a good one. Have a good one. Love you. Love you long time. Stone Wolf, thank you very much for the aroha. We'll raid Jiggy's suggestion. Is this one of your mates, Jiggy? And now I'm here. Is this one of your mates? Because I probably won't be in his chat because I'll be making my lunch. Still going. Oh, got back from the beach. Oh, I'm just about to leave. Just about to leave. See you later.